Okay, today is Saturday, July 18th, 2015, and we're looking at the infrared loop, looking at Dolores, what's left of Hurricane Dolores right here. As it moves north, it's forecast to move right into Southern California, as a matter of fact. And let's take a look at the NOAA website right here. We've had a little over a half-inch of rain today, which is amazing. I'm glad I was wrong about my forecast, but we need the rain. And it's supposed to continue tomorrow and all the way through Monday, actually. And here is the forecast for Monday. That storm should be right up in the area of Southern California, which is right there. Okay. So going back to the map here, there's another disturbance down here, which is forecast to become a hurricane in the next 4 or 5 days, right down here. Keep an eye on that one too. So there just isn't a whole lot left of Dolores. There's no rotation. It's been completely squashed. It's just a lot of clouds and leftover moisture. There's not very much in the way of thunderstorms in that system. We can see all the thunderstorms right here that this storm helped produce, and those are moving in and giving us rain. Because remember, they blockaded this whole storm. They got it offshore. They surrounded it, and then they punched it with the transmitter, and that was it. That's how they do most of them. Now, here's an interesting shot here. This is the wider Pacific, Northeast Pacific. There was a flow that was moving right down into California early this morning, and since that time, since this morning, they have built in a knife edge here with the radar, and right here, all the way from here to here. And that is going to cut off this flow here from merging with anything coming in from the south. So they're going to keep this weather down here separated from the flow up here. All right, we can see that happening. This area right here has almost been punched through. And so there's high pressure here. They're applying high pressure right here, spinning clockwise. And this flow here is moving up and through about Central California and turning out to the east. All right, now let's go look at the next map here. That is the rainbow loop. That's the East Pacific disturbance. There is some rotation beginning to take shape right here as it moves off through Central America. We can see that happening right there, and we'll keep an eye on that. All right, and there's the rainbow loop. Okay, we saw that already. Saw that. And here is the infrared loop for southwest, showing a lot of thunderstorms moving in. And they don't seem to be impeded by any HAARP transmitters. It just is coming in. The only thing I would say is that there's high pressure right here. None of this thunderstorm activity is developing offshore. It moves in off the ocean, and then it bubbles up into thunderstorms. So there's some type of high pressure being applied right offshore here. We can see that, I believe, right about here. Yeah, there's some high pressure right here, which is surrounding this hurricane, what's left of Dolores. All right, a lot of unstable air there. All right, let's go down here to the end, and this is the Central California map, where they're dividing this upper weather flow from the hurricane flow down here. So you've got colder weather up here merging with this southerly monsoonal moisture. Now, I suppose if this was allowed to merge, you might have a tornado, because you've got warmer rain mixing with possibly some colder stuff up north. But at any rate, they're separating that for whatever reason. Okay, here's the visible light mode. And here's the intensity of the rain in Southern California. So we're getting rain, and there's more on the way. Okay, we'll do another one of these tomorrow. That's it.